Guys, welcome back to Learn with Emnet. Today, I'm showing you another surprisingly powerful AI tool for video generation. It's still experimental, but honestly, it already delivers impressive results for AI content creation, storytelling, concept previews, short films, and more. And the best part, no sign-up required. Let's jump right in. Using the tool. Just head over to your browser and type aigenmax.art. Click the first result. Again, no sign up, no account, nothing. Once you're in, click Generate Video Now. And it brings you straight to this clean interface. You can create videos using text to video or image to video. For this demo, let's try text to video. I'll paste in this prompt. A futuristic city at night, neon lights reflecting on wet streets, flying cars zooming past towering skyscrapers. A cybernetic hero wearing sleek armor leaps from a rooftop, dodging laser blasts, acrobatically flipping through the air. Then click Generate VEO3 Video. And boom, here's the result. Very okay, very cool, and it even includes built-in background sound. Similar to what you'd get from VEO3, Sora, Grok AI, and other high-end video generators. So honestly, this is a promising site. Testing Lipsync. I also tested another prompt with Lipsync and the results were surprisingly smooth.
Hey everyone! Hi, I'm Nikki. Just out here soaking up this beautiful day. Hope you're good. Come walk with me.
Definitely something worth trying in your next project if you're exploring AI character animation. Image to video. Now, let's check image to video. I'll upload an image, type my prompt, and here's the output.
We have the skills, the vision, and the determination to make this project a success. Let's make it happen.
Very clean visuals. The only downside is that the character and outfits change from the original image. Again, this tool is still experimental, so some features are not perfect yet. But as it improves, we can expect better character consistency, more control, and higher visual accuracy. To download your video, just click the download button, or tap the three dots and select download to save it to your device. Definitely give this tool a try in your next project and see what it can do for you. Add it to your AI toolkit because once it fully upgrades, we're going to see cleaner, more accurate and stunning visual outputs, potentially becoming a real VEO3 alternative for free experimentation. Hope this video helped you discover something new. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, share, and drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think about this new AI tool. Until next time, keep experimenting, keep creating, and stay inspired. Thanks for watching.